everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video, we'll be looking at Surds, Aim 4, Challengers, Class 8 for Maths Techno, right? In this Challengers video, I'll discuss the questions. So for knowing all the answers and solutions, watch the video until the end. Now let's begin. So first question in Challengers, find the simplest rationalizing factor of 4 root 2. RF means rationalizing factor. So when 4 root 2 is multiplied with root 2, it is going to get rationalized, obviously, yes or no? So when 4 root 2 is multiplied by root 2, what is going to happen? 4 into root 2 square is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So now this is 8. This is a rational number. So what is the rationalizing factor? It is root 2. Okay, that is done. Second one, rationalize the denominator of 2 by cube root of 5. Now this is also very simple. As they are asking to rationalize the denominator, first let's find the rationalizing factor of the denominator. That is rationalizing factor of cubed root of 5. That is nothing but it is cubed root of cubed root of 5 whole square. That's it, right? Now this is very simple one. So let's solve this actually. Cubed root of 5 square. Okay. Now 2 by cubed root of 5 multiplied by cubed root of 5 square divided by cubed root of 5 square. Okay. Now why we are multiplying 5 square here? Here already 1 power is there, here 2 is there. When both are multiplied, it will become 3. And cube root will get cancelled. That is why I have multiplied. That is why it is the rationalizing factor. Now 2 multiplied by cubed root of 5 square divided by cubed root of 5 into 5 square. That is what, right? Now 2 into cubed root of 5 square, that is 25, right? We know that. What is 5 square? 25. Divided by cubed root of 5 into 5 square. So that is nothing but cubed root of 5 cube. Now this cube and cube root will get cancelled. So final answer is 2 into third root of 25 divided by, what is it? 5. That's it. Okay. Now these are the two questions. We have completed 2 questions now. Let's move on to the third question now. Now third question says that rationalize the following surds with their conjugates. So first we have to find out their conjugates and we have to find out we have to rationalize them. First main thing, conjugate is nothing but same rationalizing factor only. Okay, like it is also like a rationalizing factor. Now what is the conjugate of 5 plus root 3? The conjugate for this is 5 minus root 3. 5 minus root 3. Now you just don't write CONG. In NJ you will write conjugate of 5 plus root 3 is 5 minus root 3. You will write this entire statement. Okay. Now I am not going to write this same statement for the next question. You have to write it. Conjugate of 5 plus root 3 is 5 minus root 3. Now we are going to rationalize it. How can we rationalize? We have to multiply them. 5 plus root 3 multiplied by 5 minus root 3. That is equal to 5 square minus root 3 whole square. Now that square and square root will get cancelled, right? So that step it's not required, I hope. So I can simply write, here I will write it, 5 square minus root 3 whole square. The square root will get cancelled. 25 minus 3, because 5 square is 25 and 3 will remain as it is. 25 minus 3 is 22, which belongs to rational number set. That is a rationalized one now. Now for the second question, same thing. First you have to find out the conjugate. So conjugate of minus root 5 plus 4 is, so first how you will write this 4 minus root 5, right, when you are arranging it. So conjugate will be 4 plus root 5, 4 plus root 5. Now 4 minus root 5 multiplied by 4 plus root 5. Now what it is going to be? A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, right? 4 square minus root 5 whole square. Now that square and root will get cancelled. 4 square is 16 and 5 is as it is, and answer is 11, which belongs to rational number set. So fourth question and sixth question are homework bits because they are very simple. So fourth one, what you have to do is, see, they have given this equation, right? Just find out the values of a and b. This is very simple, that's why I'm giving it as homework actually. Okay, now sixth one, what you have to do, you have to compare a and b. The values are given here, you have to compare them. Okay, now how can you compare? I'll give you one hint. First what you do is, first you compare of a square and b square, then you can compare what is a and b, you can compare it. Okay, so this is the homework bits for you. Please comment the answers what you have got, and let me check how many of you are going to comment. So whoever comments will get a heart, whoever comments it right. Okay, and yeah, let's do the fifth one. So fifth question of challengers, show that 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2 is equal to 1. So we have to show that this all is equal to 1. So for that, firstly we have to prove the LHS part. Prove the LHS part. Okay, so now we will prove the LHS part. Okay, so how we have to prove and all I will tell. First, LHS, you can see these are all complex, right? Let us make it simple one by one. First we will make the first term. Okay, so first term is 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3. So what is the rationalizing factor for the denominator? It is root 10 minus root 3 divided by root 10 minus root 3. We are going to multiply this, right? So next, 7 root 3 multiplied by root 10, it is going to be 7 root 30 minus 7 root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 21, because 7 root 3 into root 3 is 3, right? So 7 into 3 is 21 divided by, now this root 10 plus root 3 multiplied by root 10 minus root 3 is like a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, root 10 square minus root 3 square. Square root will get cancelled, right? 10 minus 3, sorry, 7 root 30 minus 21 divided by 10 minus 3 is 7. Now we will take 7 as common here. Okay, 7 as common, root 30 minus 7 3s is 21 divided by 7. 7 will get cancelled, right? So what is left out? Root 30 minus 3. So for the first part, only this one, we can simply write a root 30 minus 3. This is the first part. Let me write 1. For this one, we'll name it 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 parts to simplify. Then we will move on to the actual part. Now second one I'll show. Yeah. So second one is very simple actually. Minus 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5. Okay, now the RF for this is minus 6 minus 5, right? So that is what we are going to do, multiply as well as divide. Done. Next, what we're going to do, minus 2 root 5 multiplied by root 6. It is nothing but minus 2 to the root 30. Right? That is okay. Now, minus 2 root 5 multiplied by minus 5. First, root 5 into root 5 is 5. So, 2 into 5 is 10. Here minus is there. Sorry, here both are minuses. So, it will become plus. So, it is plus 10 divided by. Same, a plus b into a minus b only you are going to apply here. 6 minus 5, how much it is? 1. So, this one will be as it is. Minus 2 root 30 plus 10. Sorry, it's plus actually, because here it is, yeah, it's plus, not minus. 1 second. Sorry, it is minus only. Because minus 2 and there is no plus actually. So it is minus only. It's correct, this one. Okay. Next, third part we have to see. I am doing it here. Third part. Let me adjust it. So, minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2. Right. Now this one multiplying with its denominators RF, it is going to be root 15 minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 minus 3 root 2. Now until here it is clear, right? So next what we are going to do, as you all know, we are going to simplify this. Minus 3 root 2 multiplied by root 15. How much it is going to be? Minus 3. And root 15 into root 2, it is root 30. Minus 3 root 2 multiplied by minus 3 root 2. Like it is just the squaring, right? So what is the answer? Plus 18. If you want that part also, I will do it here. Later I'll show it. Okay. See, 3 root 2. How we are squaring it is 3 root 2 whole square. 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 is 3 root 2 whole square. Correct. So, now 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is 2. 9 2 is 18. This is how it has come. Okay. Now this one no need to note actually. This one. Okay. Divided by, next, what is the denominator? A plus b into a minus b. Same form it is also there. So you will use that a square minus b square. And here also it is going to be 18. 15 minus 18, right? Minus 3. Now again here we're going to take minus 3 as common. Minus 3 into root 30. Now plus 18 is there. But you can't simply write plus 6. 3 6 is 18. But here if you want plus, here it should be minus. Because minus into minus is plus. Minus 3 into minus 6 is plus 18. Okay. Divided by minus 3. Minus 3 will get cancelled and it is root 30 minus 6. Now these 3 parts we have solved, right? It's actually a complicated one. We have made it simple. The first part is this one, second part is this one, and third part is this one. That is all clear to you, right? Next, now for the main part, just we have, remember one thing, we have considered the signs also. Like this we have taken the entire, so like this we have taken. Okay, the minus also is being considered. You can see here. Understanding? Okay. Next, what we are going to do, just put these values here now. First is minus, first one you will substitute minus root 30 minus 3, and next one is minus 2 root 30 plus 10, and next one is plus 30 minus 6. I have just put down in an order. Okay. Now first rearranging. Let me rearrange it. Rearranging the terms. Okay, we can rearrange, right? So first and foremost thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out this root 30 terms one side and the numeric part other side. Okay, firstly we have root 30, and where we have root 30 here, minus 2 root 30 and plus root 30, and here minus 3 plus 10 minus 6. Rearranged? Yes. Now root 30 plus root 30 is 2 root 30 and minus 2 root 30. Now minus 3 plus 10, how much it is? Minus plus 7 minus 6. Correct. Because 10 minus 3 is plus 7, right? That is. Now 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30, 0. 0. We are going to write 0. 7 minus 6, 1 plus 1. So all this wasn't it equal to 1? Yeah, so hence we have shown that, right, it is all equal to 1. So you can just write hence proved or hence verified, whatever it is. Hence proved. Okay, that's it. It is done. Now I'll tell you even a simpler way. Now this easy method you should not at all use this actually while solving, and when your exams are there, please don't use this. Easy method is like when you are unable to do that problem, like when you think that one is not going to come, like some silly mistake we will make, but we will think that this is a wrong question. In that cases, what you have to do is just go to the calculator and first term whatever is there, you are going to type it in the calculator in this way, like this. We are going to calculate in brackets root 10 plus root 3, like this. You will put it in everything, you will put it like this. Okay, in calculator you will put. So then it will give values separately you try. Okay, don't do these all things, it will go wrong again. Separately, first this one, then this one in this way, and this one in this way. Okay, firstly I found it out on calculator also. 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 is equal to, the value is 2.47722558. Okay, and 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus 5, this value was 0.9544515. Okay, and the third one, that is 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2, this value was 0.522774425. so these were the values which I got on calculator. Okay, I used calculator. Okay, so these values you found out. Now here don't keep minus. Okay, for these two don't keep minus. Now next what I did, I may go to calculator again. What you do, just 2.47722558 minus 0.9544515 minus 0.522774425. You are going to do this on calculator again, and you will get 1 surprisingly. Okay, so that time you should try to prove in that way, like in the way you have to do. So on calculator it is showing as 1 only, so you should also try. Okay, when you are unable to solve, when it is showing the 1, when it is showing correct answer, then you should obviously do it again, and you should know your mistake. Okay, that's it. So actual method is that one. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. Bye.